Hi, I joined Ambrish's class in July this year. I actually at that point thought I was never going to be able to do the theoretical driving test in Italian. I actually at that point barely understood 3 of the 30 questions in every skidder. Within a matter of 8 weeks, I was at best getting 1 or 2 wrong, and then I passed the test with only 1 mistake. It came down to 3 things. Number 1 is the way that Ambrish teaches is absolutely unique. Number 2, you have to put in the hard work, but he teaches you exactly what you need to do and what steps you need to take. And number 3, gives you the absolute confidence that you're going to pass this test if you follow his method. It really does work. I met somebody recently who'd been living in Italy for 7 years and speaks Italian fluently, and she said her biggest problem was that she couldn't pass the driving test. So the greatest gift I could give her was put her in touch with Ambrish. I wish I'd discovered Ambrish's course when I first moved here to Italy. That way, I am extremely confident, not even knowing any Italian, that with his method, I would be able to pass the test, and I would have started my journey much earlier. So I wish you all the best. I do hope you sign up, because honestly, I think this is one of the only ways to pass the driving test at your first attempt. All the best.